What's going on? You know who it is. It is a beautiful day out here, and we are in a hurricane, Florida evacuation, yada yada yada, some or other, and that's kind of serious. So hopefully you and your family stay safe, and everything's pretty dope, because it's kind of like, if you think about it, there's gonna be different shelters that are opened and this and that, and you just never know. What kind of shelters are open around here if something were to crack, you know? No? I don't know either. But
you got Wi-Fi right now, right?
do I?
Yeah. You got a text-free, call app thing?
Yeah, you can use my phone?
Yeah, I'm gonna call Mom.
Here. Right here. Alright, do what you gotta do. It's on Wi-Fi and everything. The battery might be a little low.
Right.
Where do you want to go?
To call. Like an actual call, or?
Like a phone call?
Yeah, or?
This.
Okay.
Or a text message, you can go right on messages. Because I deleted Facebook because I was just tired of going on social media all the time. Is that a fan? Like a Chinese fan? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's cool.
They work.
Yeah, for real. Especially when it's hot.
Goes the other way.
Other way? Blonde. Gotcha. That is dope. Thank you. Remember my mom, when I was a kid, she used to have stuff like these, you know?
On the wall, hanging on the wall. Stuff.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
There you go. So y'all think you're gonna survive through the hurricane? We got this, right? There ain't nothing. I was looking on Charlie. I mean, true shit, man. I was looking on Charlie, and I was Hurricane Andrew. Yeah. Well, I was in Bradenton at the time, so this place was it. This place got hit the worst out of everything.
Nah, Punta Gorda did actually.
Yeah.
Punta Gorda, they had all the trailers down there all fucked up.
Jeez.
That and over on Kings Highway too.
But Andrew came through in 92, and Southwest Florida got pretty. I remember I was in Bradenton and I seen water out back when I woke up, and I'm like, man,
I was up in Philly during that one. I remember seeing it on the news over in Miami.
Yeah, it's crazy. But
Blizzards, I like them better.
It's 180 miles an hour right now.
That's
the most. They said that's the most intense it's ever been in the longest years.
Where I was in Punta Gorda, they had the fire truck across the fire station. The fire trucks were going like this.
Oh man.
People hung over.
Yeah.
One blew over in one of the firefighters' car. Some fucked up shit.
Yeah. You good? We can't get through?
Why don't you use your phone?
Well, you can't get through just because of the phone, or they're not answering? Huh?
She just didn't answer.
Well, if you need me, I'll be in my house. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, man.
So you guys are so cigarette-less, aren't you? Yeah, me too.
We smoked our last one back
I
there.
get paid tomorrow. All right, y'all. Have a good one.
All right, man.
So, truth be told, that this hurricane might be a little bit serious. And if it is, then we need to prepare. Am I leaving my keys in my car? Probably am. I think I forgot my keys. Yep. Hang on one sec. Come on. How's your day today? What'd you... Up north? I don't know, man. I don't really think we have a plan. All I know is last night I heard it was the governor did some kind of Florida state of emergency, yeah. And it's 180 miles an hour right now. I keep up on it, like it'll come up in my YouTube feed, So I don't know. They're kind of like. So then I think, well, maybe I should. My ex-girlfriend sent me a list of like shelters because she was talking to me on the phone last night. She was serious about it, and I was like, wow.
Make sure they can handle that strong of a hurricane.
Yeah.
Just go to shelter. They don't check to see what the category
I personally told them that if they were to go to a shelter, go. I'll stay and I'll watch the house. Just in case. I'll be around and just make sure, you know. Because they're, you know, they're in there.
Watch mine too, because I ain't going to be here.
Well, yeah. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I'll be in that house. But, I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Why would you do that? It's a category 5, man.
Well, I mean, as the days go on, you never know. I might change my mind. But as of right now, even if we get the outskirts of that thing, man, it's a lot of winds.
Yeah, I'm going to be in Georgia somewhere.
Wait.
I'm going to get you out myself and be like, no, Jared, I can't.
He's a leash,
I'm
right?
going to knock you out.
Well, what day are you actually planning on maybe hightailing?
I don't know. I got to work.
Yeah.
I'm watching the news too.
Because I was going to say, I'll keep you posted and updated, and, you know, I see the call. Yeah.
Will you tell your mom I got some stuff from the store for her?
Yeah, I'll do that. Hey, Laura. All right, well, just, I'll keep in contact with you. Have a good day, all right? For real, keep in contact. Some serious times here. Women. Door's locked. Listen, stay safe. If not for me, for your family and for yourself. And until next time.